Camera rolling.
Good day everyone. For today's video, I'm going to share with you the importance of understanding the self in my future career as a civil engineer. So, before we proceed, let me introduce myself. I am Teresa Albalangkit from the College of Engineering. Um, as I embark on
Sige lang.
As I embark on the path towards my career as a civil engineer, I am reminded of profound significance of understanding the self in the pursuit of professional excellence and personal fulfillment. Civil engineering,
Civil engineering.
Civil engineering with its focuses on constructing okay. Civil engineering when its focuses on constructing, designing, and maintaining the infrastructures that shapes the world around us requires not only
Civil engineering focuses 3, 2, 1, rolling.
Civil engineering with its focuses on constructing, designing, and maintaining the infrastructures that shapes around us requires not only the technical expertise but also a deep understanding on one's strength, values, and also the aspirations. Self-awareness is the cornerstone of a success in any career, but it holds particularly importance in the field that I am pursuing it, which is the civil engineering. As an engineering student, I will be tasked in solving many problems, conflict problems, making critical decisions, and collaborating with any teams and making critical decisions. So, redundant.
Sige lang, outro lang.
Understanding my own strength and weaknesses and working style will enable me to navigate challenges effectively and communicate efficiently and lead with confidence. Moreover, self-awareness plays a crucial role in my setting career as a civil engineer, and the goals and the aspirations by
Outro. Sige.
Moreover, self-awareness plays a crucial role in my career as a civil engineer, the goals and the aspirations. By reflecting on my values, my passions, and the long-term objectives, I can align my career trajectory with my personal visions of success.
Tapos na? Sige. 3, 2, 1.
Whether my goal is specialized to sustainable infrastructures or lead a large-scale projects or innovate new technologies, a deep understanding of the self will guide me towards the opportunities that resonate my core values and my ambitions. In the dynamic field of civil engineering, where innovation and adaptation are the key towards where the innovation and adaptation are drivers. Okay, sorry.
Outro.
in the dynamic. In the dynamic field of civil engineering, where innovation and adaptation are the key drivers of success and progress, self-awareness empowers me to embrace the change, learn from failures, and continuously improve myself. By recognizing my areas of core growth, seeking feedback, and pursuing professional development opportunities. I can enhance myself, my skills, and expand my knowledge and stay ahead of industry trends. Furthermore, Furthermore, understanding the self foster effective communication and collaboration, essential skills as a civil engineer working in multidisciplinary teams. By recognizing, okay, wait lang. By recognizing my communication skills, my communication styles, and also the strategies, I can build strong relationships, foster teamwork, and drive project success through effective collaboration. So, beyond the technical expertise, the journey of a civil engineering as a civil engineer is enriched by a deep connection to one's purpose and values. By understanding my motivations, ethical principles, and commitment in my career will wait, sorry. Cut it on the
Sige lang.
all.
7 minutes.
7?
7 minutes na. Mga around 5 minutes na siguro ini. Sige lang.
By understanding By understanding my motivations, ethical principles, and commitment to sustainability and social responsibility, I can infuse that my work with meaning. I can infuse my work with meaning, purpose, and sense of contribution to the society. So, in my conclusion, the importance of understanding the self in my future career as a civil engineer cannot be overstated. Self-awareness serves as a guiding light, illuminating the path towards professional and personal fulfillment and impact contributions to the built environment. As I embrace challenges and opportunities that lie ahead, I commit to cultivating a deep understanding of self as the foundation of my success as a civil engineer. So that was all. Thank you for listening.